So now let's look into immutable infrastructure with containers. Containerization consists of deploying applications in containers instead of deploying them in VMs, virtual machines. So today, it's very clear that the container technology to be used is Docker, and that the configuration of a Docker image is also done in a code in a Docker file, capital D. So this file contains the declaration of the base image which represents the bond to be used. So the installation of additional middleware to be installed on the image, only the files and binaries necessary for the application, and the network configuration of the ports. Unlike VMs, virtual machines, containers are set to be immutable. The configuration of a container cannot be modified during its execution. So containers are immutable. So example, we have deployed one application using containerization recently. So we need to add few more credentials to the application. So in that case, we had to stop the one service. We had stopped the one service, and then we have deployed the credentials to that, and then we have uh, we have recreated the image, and then we have rerun the image with the for the new container. So then the application again started running. This has happened just I think 2 weeks before only. So this again proves that containers are immutable. Immutable, what does immutable means? A container said to be immutable. The configuration of a container cannot be modified during its execution. Here is the following is the small simple example of a Docker file. So here is the example of Docker file. In this Docker image, we use a basic Ubuntu image that's from Ubuntu that will get to the Docker hub, and it will fetch Ubuntu image, and then we want to run apt get update the apt get package management tool, and then we have apt get install nginx. Will install the nginx, and after that entry point. So then finally, so once whenever the container runs, then execute the following commands. That user, go to the user has been nginx, there you will find nginx binary file, and then you start that. That's what we are saying. And then expose this whole expose this container at port number 80.